Welcome back to Clary Vlog, guys. Ayan, ito yung ginagawa ko these busy days, guys. Ayan, super lamig, no? Ayun, same as usual lang, guys. Ito meron, kaso lang ano yan, solar siya, guys. Hindi pa siya, it's not yet fully charged the power. So that's it. Okay, guys, sa harapan, ayan ko. So there you go. So far you cannot see the power line this time, so I make a little bit what's that, sneaky and doing that. Yeah, Merry Christmas. So yeah, this one is our front. Here, guys. Oh, angels there. Yes. Alright. Ayan. Parang umiilay yung sasakyan ko. Ayan. So yan. Ganun pa rin. So blinking ano ko, solar lights. Oh yeah, there you go. Sa malayuan. Alright. Ilaw natin. Yan. So the villain is there. So I must, maybe next year I'm trying some of this one lamp. So I have to buy new of those, guys. Okay, so new year, new next year I got a new Christmas decoration naman na. Alright, so yeah, yan lang talaga siya, guys. Alright, pasok